Put back on again. Just...
I believe it is day 240, I think. I'm losing track. But starting it late. As you saw previously, we came to get Wicho's new glasses, but insurance issues occurred, so he would have had them today. But apparently where he went to go get his eye exams, they basically charged his insurance for glasses, which he never even got from there. So now they have to call the place, let him know that he never got glasses from there, and then have to restart the whole system all over again. I don't know, just a whole bunch of bullshit. But right now we're gonna go to the beach for a little bit, and then we're gonna go over to my grandma's house after. So yeah, let's get the day started. Late, but let's get it started. Oh, I think that boat is in trouble. It's not supposed to be there.
Oh my god, look at the door, Melissa.
Oh you guys are fucking loud.
Oh, open your eye. Oh, Wicho. Oh.
Ah!
God.
You're so dramatic.
I can't see.
Sick as hell. Look at her. She has a Hogwarts shirt. She's gonna go
No,
visit Harry
no,
Potter. Nomás está.
I should have just stopped. You guys stopped that freaking Jack. I ate so
What?
much tortilla today.
A ver, bicho, let me see your eye.
That's not good.
Are you crying? It's okay, bicho. It's
It's
okay. Everything's gonna be okay, bicho. You're gonna get your glasses Monday. It's okay. Ay, no.